Eliminate mold from your washing machine with 3 green solutions. The washing machine has become one of the most indispensable appliances in the household. It's not just that it washes clothes, it makes laundry so much quicker, and life so much easier. In fact, few people can imagine their home without the presence of a trusty washing machine. But even though it does us such a great service, it remains one of the most neglected apparatuses in terms of maintenance and disinfection. This is because many people mistakenly think it's not necessary to clean it on a regular basis, since it's always in contact with soap and other washing products. The problem is that, although we may not notice it at first, our washing machine is a hotspot for an accumulation of bacteria and mold that can affect its operation and cause bad odors. What's more, the gummy lining and the walls retain moisture and detergent residues, which are in effect a paradise for breeding microorganisms. Fortunately, there's no need to use expensive and aggressive shopbought chemical to eliminate mold from our washing machines. Here, we're going to share the secret of 3 fantastic and eco-friendly solutions that allow you to leave your washing machine in perfect condition and eliminate mold. The best part is that they are cheap or free. Go ahead and try them today. Lemon and hydrogen peroxide. Combining the antimicrobial and antifungal properties of lemon with those of hydrogen peroxide gives us an ideal product to help us maintain our washing machines in perfect condition cheaply and easily. The mixture gets rid of soap residues that build up. In turn, it neutralizes bad odors caused by mold. Ingredients: 6 cups of water, 5 liters 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 62 milliliters 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide, 125 milliliters. What you'll need: 1 deep container, 1 microfiber cloth, Preparation: put the water in a deep bowl, and then simply add the lemon juice and hydrogen peroxide. Once the elements are well mixed, it's ready to use. How to use: spray the product onto the rubber linings of the washing machine, as well as directly into the drum. Allow to act for 10 to 15 minutes, and then remove the excess with a microfiber cloth. Later, to achieve an even more thorough cleaning, put the remaining liquid in one of the soap compartments and start your washing machine on a normal hot cycle. This last step allows you to disinfect the entire interior of the appliance, as well as all the pipes. Apple cider vinegar. Using just apple cider vinegar diluted in warm water creates a natural disinfectant that gets rid of all traces of the nasty bacteria, fungi and other microorganisms that grow inside your washing machine. When you apply it, the solution also removes the dark mold stains that form in the gummy linings of the machine. In addition, it gets rid of soap residues that build up in the drum and pipes. Ingredients: 5 cups of water, 1. 2 liters 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, 125 milliliters. What you'll need: 1 bottle fitted with atomizer spray pump, 1 microfiber cloth. Preparation: heat the water. Once it's boiling, add the apple cider vinegar. Pour some of the solution into the bottle, making sure to keep the rest. How to use: spray the liquid onto the rubber and linings of the washing machine, and remove the mold with the help of your microfiber cloth. Next, put the rest of the solution into the soap compartment of your machine, and start a short cycle. Once the cycle is finished, open the machine and allow it to air for a couple of hours. White vinegar and lemon juice. A handy solution of white vinegar and lemon juice helps to disinfect the soap compartments of washing machines, as well as the drum, the pipes and other areas that are tough to access. These ingredients get rid of the fungi that cause mold, and are great at neutralizing unpleasant odors. Ingredients: 5 cups of water, 1. 2 liters, 1 cup of white vinegar, 250 milliliters, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 62 milliliters. What you'll need: 1 bottle fitted with atomizer spray pump, 1 cloth or sponge. Preparation: heat the cups of water, and add the white vinegar. Next, simply add the lemon juice and mix together so that everything is well integrated. How to use: put a small amount of the mixture into your spray bottle, and divide the rest between the drum of your washing machine and in soap compartment. Using the spray bottle, direct the liquid towards the gummy lining, and remove the mold with the help of your sponge. Then, start your machine a short cycle, so the remaining product can clean other hard-to-reach areas. After the cycle finishes, leave the washing machine open to allow the remaining moisture to dry. As we've seen, it can take just a few minutes to give your washing machine the thorough clean it needs. If you're still not doing it, it's easy to get started. Just choose any of the solutions we looked at today, and take advantage of its cleaning power at least twice a month.